Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be designing this scarf with bead. So I want to show you how to use this bead reflecting machine. So I'll be using this machine to design this scarf, which you find is so lovely. It's very long. It's very long, so I'll just do it in one part. Do it in one part. I will be using combined color. I'm using combined color to do that. Let's get started. Marking where you want to design. So this is what I want to do. I want to design here. So that is where we will design. With our machine, we remove it. This edge is size by size. If you want to use bigger one, there's bigger size of this. So it's size by size, and it depends on the kind of bead you want to use on it. If you want to use a very big bead, you change the mouth. The front mouth. So these are the front mouth. And the bigger the bead, and the bigger mouth you use. You have different mouth. The bigger the bead, the bigger the mouth. So let's start with the bead we are using now. This is the mouth that is very suitable for the bead. So when you want to, you can remove it. I screwed it, so you can remove it and still put the one you want to use. And you can screw it like this. Screw it in. Good. Now start with your bead. And this is the pin that I'll be putting at the back. This is the pin we'll be using. So let's get started. First of all, put my bead. I'm putting my bead in here. Cool. So I'll put my pin at this place. I turn it like this. I turn it upside down so that the sharp edge will come up. So now pick up my it up. I'll start from here. You can see. And you will hold it, you press it it's done. It's done. Remove it. Fine. You can see. You can see this. Okay. Let's do another one. So the type of bead we are using, we combine colors so that it will look so beautiful. Let's go again. So we still put pin. We still put it there. Yeah. So pin it again. I saw this machine. Nobody that want to buy. Okay, come to my. You can see another one. That's how we'll be doing it. So we still put another one. Make sure you're using the same color. We still put pin. Make sure the pin is appropriate for the. You can see. You can see. This one is not that pin, so I will remove it. You can see how edge is says. Not that pin, so I can remove it and do it again. It's removable. Yeah, so I remove that and the pin. So I'm doing it again. Yeah, so this one is fine. You can see it's very smooth. Okay, so still do another one. Be missing the color. So that anytime you're going out, you can just you can see this. Yeah, so cool. You can see that. So we start another circle. make sure the pin sits properly. It's like this, so that's it won't cross. Can you see how beautiful it's turning? You will love it when you are done. So I would love to practice. I would love you two to practice it and tell us how far you go about it. Make sure the bead sits properly and the pin sits properly so that it will pin it without problem. You can use it to do any clothes. You can use it for your kids' clothes. You can use it for your dress. You can use this for anything like design. Just be designing on your clothes instead of using manual. I love it so much, so I don't wait till I've not used the bead inside this one, so sure. So I'll be teaching you next time. I'll be teaching you how to use it, how to do your own brush with this. Do your brush, do your pin, you can design bag with this, your ankles, your shoes. So doing this gradually. Isn't that beautiful? See how beautiful this is. another color that will be so lovely there. And the reason why I combine color is I really want something that when you're going out you can pick out and still match your clothes. You can go with different clothing, and it depends on the type of fabric you are using. If you are using something, if you are using a fabric that doesn't allow color combination, don't try it. Just use the one that will allow you to combine color like this. There are some things that this ash color too cannot take, but I think this is fine. Tell me what you feel about the color combination I did here, so I can amend. I love to do so many things. I love to try so many things. So that's why you see me working. You see me trying new things and doing it. Just to teach kids how to do little things themselves, so that one day I'll be like, mommy, can you tell me how to do this every time? Daddy, can you teach me how to do this? So when your children know how to do this themselves, you'll be free. So you have fun and you'll be happy that they are doing so many things themselves. Really. We are moving gradually. Done. It's very simple, very simple, I can tell you. So anyway, how are you coping with this? There's nothing not to cope about. Nothing. No, let's just be candid. There's nothing not to cope about. It's fine. You can see the second stage is done. So I think I will leave it like this. Or what do you think? I love this pen like this. I'll close it like this. I just love this. I don't want too much bead. So let me fill in the space. So I don't want too much bead. It's fine like that. I really love this. In fact, I really love this. But if you want me to do the orange design, so please comment. I'll do that. Kindly subscribe for more videos, and I will appreciate your comments. I normally did. I normally do what's it called? This design, this manual design, big design. Maybe I will use thread and needle to attach. I love bead so much on my clothes. I love bead so much. Right from my school college, so I do a lot of bead on my clothes. So that's why I get this thing, and I want to show you how you can do it yourself. When you use your scarf, it will look like brooch. To look like brooch on it, and you really love it. You use it on your leather, use it on your pouch. We'll be doing a lot of video on that. So I would love to see your comment. Love to see your comment. And please tell me how you feel about what I'm doing, so I can improve. If you want me to do that arrangement, just let me know. I just love the beat like this. And you can do just let me know, please. And I'll be uploading video on that. I just wanted this one to be like this on the scarf, and look at how beautiful that is. I love that. I love that. It's very simple. If I'm doing that one, I will tell me how you feel about this design. Tell me how you feel about this design. And if you want that orange one, kindly let me know. That's fine. So thanks for watching this. I hope you love the video. If you want more video on this, please let me know. Thank you.